So guys, I am going to get this bedroom done once and for all. So just stay tuned. I have a very good idea on how I want to do my room, and I'm going after it. Because if I don't do it, then I'm always be wondering if this is the right choice. So when I did my room yesterday, I made up my bed and everything like that. But and it looked nice to me. So guys, I'm doing a lot of running around today. I am going to redo my window in my bedroom because I have a valance up to my window, and I am going to put some more material on that, take it down, or extend my curtains from wall to wall. Wish me luck, guys, and I am going to talk to you later when we're on our way to Burlington. Okay, I am in Burlington. And like I said, these are some pretty pots and things like that. Look at that. That is some pretty pots and things. I really don't need that. I really don't need that. This is all the stuff that they have for the garden. Now this would be nice in my home because I'm, doing more planting. But I'm looking for pillows, so let's go over there. Oh my goodness, this is pretty as well. I think this will go in my room nice. Because although my furniture look brown, it's really gray. And I can store things in there. And it is $99.99. And there's another one up top. Oh, and this is a black one that would match my room. $99.99. It's cheaply made. Okay, we finally made it to the pillow aisles, and let's see. These are pretty. These are real pretty. Yeah, they are. Those are gorgeous. All right, I like these two pillows. They're $29.99. The slip covers come off, so I'll be able to take them to the cleaners and wash them. This is a really good think about. I'm gonna think about those. There's not a lot in the curtain area. Now I would use this as material for my valance. This is nice, and it's two of them. And guys, here are some beautiful duvet covers that they have here. Well, they're not duvet covers, they're comforters. And I see a lot of them that I would really like for my bedroom. But before buying a comforter set, I learned my lesson on that, guys. I am just going to do duvet covers. I'm not buying any more comforters. They're too hard to store. They are expensive to clean. And this one is a beautiful one here. This is nice and beautiful. But I'm just over, trying to store this stuff. I'd just rather have a duvet cover. Now guys, this is up my alley. This is a quilt set with 2 pillowcases. It's 3-piece. It will fit my bed. This is black and white, but my bedroom is gray, tan, and things of that nature. So now I'm gonna pass on this one. Now guys, if you remember, I said that I wanted to change my bedroom into a like sage green. And this would be up my alley if I was to buy it because it is a reversible. On one side is green and on the other side it's green and white, just nice and soft. And that matches basically my headboard like I got at home, especially the colors. So if I was to get anything, it would be that. That's something to think about. It's only $49.99 too. Okay guys, now look at this. This is what I'm saying. Look how pretty that this one is. It has two sides, and this will match my curtains. It'll match my wall. When I'm ready to have a different look, I can have a different look with the same set. I like this one. This one is $49.99, and believe it or not guys, this is Nautica, and this is only $39. Is for a queen, and it's only $39.99. $40. I like that. This may save me from having to do something different with my curtains too guys, but you got to remember, I already have a cream set at the house. This is always what I run into, the problems. Now guys, I'm gonna tell you, as pretty as that comforter was and the reasonable price it was, I know that I can get the same look on my bed with a duvet cover and just cover the expensive comforter that I have on my bed now. And I'm not cluttering up my room or my house for that matter. Now I'm continuing to look, and I am really doing good guys, just looking. Now guys, look at this. Look at this right here. This right here is a quilt. This is absolutely gorgeous. Do it come in 3 pieces? Oh, but it's just as much as that comforter. It does come in 3 pieces, but they want $34.99 for that. And if that's the case, and it does come, you know, double-sided. Now that is absolutely gorgeous. But I don't know. Wow, this is something. This is absolutely gorgeous. Not only would this match my room, but it's a 2-sided, so when I want to change and have this look on this side, I can have that. It has the matching pillowcases, but they want too much for it. So I am going to put that back. Now I do need another sheet set, and this is all white. So there's not too much of white in my room, but I do need, if I'm going for my room to be lighter, I know I'm gonna need a white sheet set. Okay, so since I got rid of a lot of my unnecessary and raggedy sheets, I am gonna get this sheet set, and this is what it is. Deluxe Hotel Comfortable Softness, and it's white. So it comes with 4 pillowcases, so most likely I will try to see if my pillow fillers will fill up the pillowcases to the size that I need them to be on my bed. Now I'm still over here with all of the quilts guys, but I am not going to get a quilt because like I said, I have a quilt on my bed already, and I like it. This is very pretty. This right here is very pretty. But I'm looking to, you know, change up. I'm looking to change up some with the colors. You know, to put in a pop of color in that room. Now this quilt is like $19. It's $19, but I am going to take my time and really make some really good decisions. Because if I decide to leave that valance up, then I need to get 2 sheet sets or 2 quilts in order to cover that valance over my wall. And they have a big selection here, guys. All right, guys, I am right back over here at these pillows. Now, see, I had bought these pillows one time before, not these. And when I got them home, they really didn't go. And then you have some black ones over here that's the same way. So hopefully, once I go home and try to mimic the size of these pillows, I'll come back and get them. Let's look at the black ones that's over here, because remember, I got white sheets in my buggy. These are the black pillows, and those are the white pillows, but I don't want to start crowding up on pillows again, even though the back of my wall is white. Now see, here's another like throw for your bed that will match that black pillow over there. And like I said, my wall is black. How much is it? That's not bad for that. That's not bad. All right, since I have the black wall and I have the different colors of black in my, you know, my balance, these two things really look good together, guys. They really do. Look at that. Ah, here we go again. All right, so here's a black bench. Here's a black pillow. Here's, you know, the black throw. And up here, guys, they have a lot of black benches. And they are all, you know, still 99. So, you know, it has the storage that I would need. Oh, I don't know, guys. Here's a gray that I was looking for my room. So I really don't know. All right, guys, I did not make it out of the store. I am going to purchase this furry quilt with the matching furry pillows. Yeah, so here's my cart. I am about to check out, and then I will see you guys at the house to see how this is going to go. Guys, I hope you have hit that like button, subscribe button, share my video. It helps my channel grow. I am going after my peace of mind with this stuff, guys. So until next time, you have reached at It's Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know my next video is coming out. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I will talk to you later. Mwah.